Welcome back to the 5th episode, I think. I just want to say, last video, I think, what did we get last video? Yeah, we got the axe last video. I think this video, in the beginning, I was on for maybe like 10 or 20 minutes. And I think someone might have gifted me $5,000. I don't know. Most likely. But it's not important. Well, it is important. So I'm going to use that $5,000 to get a better sawmill. So get a bigger and better sawmill so I can cut some or saw some lava wood. Yes, I'm getting lava wood. And I know I don't have the truck to do it, but I have a different way. It's easy. Because it is. But I got redwood once. So, or lava wood once. Or firewood, I don't care. So, right off the bat, I'm just gonna destroy this. Do I get... Oh, that's loud. I don't like that. I'm just gonna throw it off to the side. So I'm gonna quickly go grab that sawmill. And then I am going to get some conveyor parts. And, where was it? Where was the, I don't know, it was, let me see. Wait, wrong button. Makes sure put onto a conveyor. Okay. How many of these are there? Move stuff. Is this the same thing? Yep. And it's turn. Gives your, okay. So I'm guessing these like make it go different. What's this? I haven't used conveyors yet. Get your conveyors in there. Oh, okay, cool. That's a turn conveyor. What's this? Okay. But, I am going to get this new conveyor right here. I wonder how much that cost. Or sawmill, I mean, not conveyor. 22 or 200, 2,500. 11,000. Okay. Well, this one costs 1,600. The one I'm getting. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. That's not buying it. So should be good at YouTube. Yes, I would. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna take it, put it in my truck. So I don't know if you see on the other videos, but I think on the fourth video I was using a new editor, or a new editing thing. I don't know what it was called, video something, but it's really good, and there's no watermark. I forgot to expand my land. I needed to expand my land. Right there. I gotta expand my land, if I didn't say it 50 times before. Right there, okay. Now, I'm gonna make it go to its max, because good. Whoa, what thing is massive? See what I did? Okay, cool. That's cool. So now, how am I getting? I just got $9,000. How? Who sent that to me? What the heck? Huh? What is going on? Well, now I can get the best axe, but I'm not going. Or the best axe available for me, but I'm not going to. How? That's weird. That's real weird. Okay. I mean, okay. I'll take it. How? There's no way. Okay, well. Okay, well, I'm just gonna. Well, I'm going to buy more land now. Because I can't. Just because. It costs 3,000 to expand. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna get some conveyors. How did I get 9,000 though? That's weird. That's real weird. Okay, well, I'll accept it. So, I am going to get land. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I want to expand my land. See, it costs 3,000, and I don't really care. Actually, I want it to be this way. Just because of my, my sawmill right there. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna get some conveyor parts. Is that the same guy that I saw? I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, conveyor parts are right here. So, that thing, that new sawmill costed 11,000, yeah. So this is supposed to, how much? 60, man, these are cheap. So I'll try this. I'm gonna need a turn. Yes. Now, what can I get both of them now? Oh, darn it, I can't. Okay, well that's weird. So I got everything here. So I don't know how the conveyor works, so I'm just gonna try it out. Up like this. I think I saw someone have it right there. I think. What's this? Did I do it right? I don't think I did. I think I put it backwards. Did I? I think I put it backwards. It works. So does it work backwards though? Or is it backwards? Move. One. Uh-oh, that was weird. Move. Hit R like this. And then like that? Maybe? Yeah. Okay. Also, I got some supports. I don't know if I need them or not. I don't think I do. Jeez, this thing is massive. Actually, I think it's normal. Like that. Is that maybe it? I'm gonna see if I can do this again. No, I can't. Wait, yes, I can. Go that way. Yes. Oh my goodness, it works. What's this? Oh, wait, yeah. So, do I just... Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Now how do these work? Open box. Now, do I place them like this? 1, 2, like that. And then do I go like that? Hello? This is strange. Well, I think I got it. Yay. It works. Now, can I like lift it up even more? Now, can you like pull this down or not? Ramp. Is there a ramp? Yeah, I'm gonna check if there's ramp. Goodbye. Actually, I think that was all I needed to do. Just that too. Didn't need to do anything. I'm just gonna waste this. Oh, this is a turn thing? Oh, no, I'm definitely wasting it. R. Yes, perfect. Come on, get under. Get under. Oh, wait, it goes right there. I think. I don't know. It's fine, I don't care. Oh, someone's there. Okay, well, I'm gonna go sell this. I think that's gonna end the episode. It was actually, yeah, I think I'll end the episode there. This one's gonna be a very boring episode. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just gonna sell these. Uh-oh, I missed. And I'm gonna go back to my place, and then I'm gonna immediately record the next one. So I got now I'm at 6,000. That's good. So I'm gonna expand my land by a lot, and then I'm gonna start like making a house and get all the work done and stuff. So it'll be fun by then. I'm also gonna create a an auto like get outer, and I'm also gonna research a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff. Bye. Well,